What is going on, you guys? This is going to be just a mini vlog. Today I am on the hunt for my Chanel CC earrings. I am still in vacay mode. Like, today is a weekday, so let me try to go to Chanel and see if they have any CC earring studs in stock, because I went in January, but everything they had was pretty much just like dressy type earrings that I can't really do anything with. Pretty, but I can't do anything. I really don't go anywhere like that often to be like fully dressed up. So I'm gonna try my luck. I have a good feeling that I'm gonna find something. Like, I feel like it's in the cards today. I feel like God knows this is my second try, so I think we're going to find something. So you guys cross your fingers and hope that this entire trip is not for nothing.
You know I want you, babe. I'm ready to bet it on, unless you don't care at all. But you know I want you. You should stop fronting, babe.
So here's the bag. I'm at a red light. I got it. So yeah, I am super excited. Like, I'm so energetic and I'm so I have energy, because I was nervous because I'm like, what if I drive all the way here for nothing again? But today it wasn't as bad, and the line wasn't as bad as it was the last time that I came, because the last time that I came, it was the day after New Year's. And it was a Saturday, so it was just madness. And it wasn't that bad to park, because Highland Village is Highland Park Village, I should say, is Dallas's luxury little shopping mall, I guess you would want to say. So yeah, that's where you go if you want like your super ultra luxury high-end brands, besides like Louis Vuitton and Gucci, because those are in some of the malls. Like the Galleria has Louis and Gucci in it, and I think North Park and Willow Bend both have them too, and I believe YSL moved to North Park. But anyway, that little area, it's a nightmare to park in, but thankfully it was not that bad today, and I was able to park relatively easily. And I did discover, I didn't know that, because I had to make a U-turn, there's like a little side parking lot that I didn't know about. It's kind of technically across the street, but I'll remember that for next time. But now I know to come on a weekday. I thought Friday was still gonna kind of be a little iffy, because you know that's practically the weekend and people tend to get off earlier on Fridays sometime. And yeah, this was semi-impromptu. I thought about coming on Thursday, well, which was yesterday, because when we were in Vegas, we passed, as you guys will see in the vlog, or maybe have already seen if I uploaded before this, we passed through the Aria's little luxury shopping mall, and there wasn't a Chanel in there. And I was I knew I wasn't going to get to go, but I was like kind of wanting to, just to see what their stock on earrings was. And of course, when I got home, I was like, wait, I'm going to be off Friday. Let's just go. I mean, it's perfect timing because my sales associate in Chanel said that they got that stock in this morning. So it was just my luck that I got there right on time. I mean, it was well worth the trip. I guess God was telling me, hey, go today. Because I was kind of like, should I go today? Should I just relax since I'm still on vacation? And I'm so happy I listened to my instincts and I went. So now I'm all set on my earrings. So yeah, it was a good day. So I guess I'll see you guys when I get home. As you can see, I have the bag here and it's tied up how they normally present and package and wrap up the bag. The camellia, and let's see, I think the receipt and everything is in here. Yes, it is. I'll let you guys know the price, but here they are, all wrapped up in the accoutrement. Another camellia wrapped up in the bow. It's kind of like I don't even want to unwrap it. It's just so packaged beautifully. I think I can take everything off with one hand. I think it's gonna be more aesthetically pleasing if I take off everything on camera, box wise, LOL. But camellia, look how nicely it's tied up with the ribbon. My hands look ginormous on camera. I am so sorry. And here is the box, the tag. This may be just like a care card, maybe. I'll have to look into that. And here they are. They are wrapped up in the kind of suede belt type little wrapping here. And ready? Are they showing right here? No, you have one more time wrap. All right, and here they are. They are so beautiful. I finally have a pair of these after almost 8 months. And yeah, they are just so beautiful. I really wish I could have gotten some that didn't have crystals or rhinestones. I'm not sure what Chanel calls them, but of course I can go get them repaired. I think I would probably say I think I'm gonna try them on just so you guys can see. Get a close-up of them here. Hopefully it will focus. Okay, there we go. That might be a little bit better. So yeah, they're really, really nice. They actually they are coming off a little bit more silver on camera, but they actually look like what is the color? More like a gunmetal in real life, which I really like because it's not so out there silver. Because I really don't wear a lot of silver jewelry. So this is kind of right in the middle of black and like full silver. Okay, so the price for these were $475. And after tax, I believe they came out to like $512. Here is the tag. Oh, okay, so they refer to them as crystals. Oh, it's ruthenium. I think that's how you pronounce it. That's why they're not all the way silver. But yeah, I am in love with these. And this is how they look on. I have weird ears, so they don't lay flat. Like, I feel like they should look like this, but they don't. Or maybe I just have the backing on too tight. I think I'm gonna have to use different earring posts because I feel like this is gonna come off. Like, because it's those traditional, like the one that has like the disc part. You could see them from far away. I'm just trying to put them on. I'm sorry, you guys gotta kind of get close to like my hair. It's just a mess, I'm sorry. But I'm just trying to show the detail. They have a nice little shine to them. It's not translating over on camera. I kind of put my light on in here, but I would probably have to go in the bathroom. Let's see. Get a little bit more of a shine from them. I forgot to tell you guys, even during the vacation, I got new lashes. This is more what I'm talking about, off topic, but you see how you guys could see them on camera, like from far away? Like, it looks so much better. I mean, of course they're not like fully new. They've been falling out ever since I've gotten back, but I mean, I'm not hating on the other ones. Those were nice, but I need volume because my MO is for them to be seen from far away. But yeah, much better. And this lash tech is so cool. I already scheduled a refill appointment, like cool and chill. That's how I like when somebody is giving me a service. Like, I get not everybody is the same, but I like somebody that, you know, makes conversation and chit chat with you. You know, sometimes if I don't get like a good vibe, not to mean that anybody said or did anything wrong, but just my internal feeling, that's everything to me. And I get a much better like feeling with this lash tech. But yeah, off topic. And like I said, my nails, cute kind of from far. I did do these, so they're not perfect. I cut them down because I'm just like, no, my hands were hurting. I should say my nails were hurting because of that drill, and they were a little long. I filed them down initially after I got them, but that was just to kind of shorten them up a little bit and make them not as pointy. Now I really cut and I filed them down. So now they're a little bit more manageable, even though they do kind of hurt sometimes when I go to grab stuff. But yeah, now I know why I don't do nails, because I'm too nitpicky. Like, I don't like the way this, you have to ignore about it. I don't like the way this acrylic was laid. Don't mind this, because I cut on top of the acrylic, so it looks a mess. But yeah, I don't like how this is showing, like my real nail. Yeah, not to go too in depth about it, but I don't know if anybody in the Dallas area watches this, but I need like a good nail tech that does designs, like somebody that's not going to rush. Because like I said, I went to Onyx again. I actually tried to go to another girl, but I mean, I get it. It's totally my fault. I shouldn't have tried to schedule this because I was trying to get in the day before I left to go to Vegas. And I was 15 minutes late, but I was literally in the parking lot. I was like, hey, I'm here. I just need to find where your entrance is. And she was like, oh, I'm going to have to reschedule. I get it. It's my fault. Her policy is her policy. But I'm like, damn, I couldn't have gotten 2 minutes. I would have understood if I was down the street, but it is what it is. It was meant to be how it's going to be meant to be. But yeah, if you guys know any nail techs in the Dallas area, not too far south, like I don't want anybody downtown. I hate driving downtown. Plano, Addison, Dallas area, like around there without having to go downtown. Let me know if anybody in the area sees this. Maybe not, but I'm just putting it out there. I'm trying to do research on Instagram, but there's only so many people that have Instagrams. But yeah, and it's so hard because I don't want anybody that's DM to book. I already tried that with lashes. No, I want somebody that has like a system to where they manage their appointments, because with DM to books, it just takes too long for them to get back with you. No, I just want something more streamlined. But again, off on another tangent. But yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this little mini impromptu vlog unboxing of these beauties right here. Yay, another thing to add to my collection. So yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching this video, and I'm gonna see you guys next time. Bye.